Starting out by whisking 6 eggs together. We're gonna be building our custard for our amazing dish that I'm gonna show you how to make. Next, we're gonna go in with about a half a cup of heavy cream. A couple tablespoons of melted butter going in. Got a little dash of vanilla, about a teaspoon or so. And then I'm gonna add a little of this dessert shake from my buddy Uncle Steve's Shake. If you wanna get some of this, hit me in the comments, I'll put a link in there. If you do not have this, go ahead and use just a little cinnamon sugar mix. But this has so much more. We're going with about a tablespoon of it. All right, now you wanna give this all a good mix. This is the custard that you're building, right? For our awesome chicken and waffle casserole. That's right, guys, we're going crazy with this one. We're gonna chop up our waffles. We're just using some Eggos, thick and fluffy. Same Eggo, same. Just gonna get these kind of cubed up. Want some pretty healthy sized pieces sticking out. So, yeah, about that. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna put these in that custard, get it all mixed up together, right? But these little edges are gonna be poking out, right? They're gonna get nice and golden brown and crispy on the outside, right? But it's gonna be soft and custardy on the inside. Let's get our waffles into that custard mix. Just fold these in real quick. You want it all coated up in that custardy goodness. Now we got some chicken strips here. Undoubtedly it's real clucking chicken. All right, I don't want that fake clucking chicken. You want the real deal. This is just frozen tendies. I've let them defrost a little bit, but there's still a little bit of ice on there. No big deal, we're gonna chop them up and get them in the mix. If you guys have chicken nuggets and you wanna use those, go for it. We're gonna kind of keep these little bite-sized pieces, right? Some of these will stick out in the pan too, so they'll get nice and crispy. Don't knock it till you try it, baby. Okay, chicken tendies going in. And again, you're just gonna fold these all together. I have a little greased 8x8 pan right here. Just gonna get this stuff in there, get the chicken and waffle mix in there. All right. And just spread it out so it's evenly distributed in there. So the top is gonna be nice and golden brown. The chicken will be cooked all the way through. Well, hell, it's already cooked, right? But it'll be cooked all the way through. We're gonna have some nice brown bits on top, right? Nice and soft and custardy in the inside. Guys, this is looking good. All right, time to get this bad boy in the oven. We got it on 350, the oven's already preheated, right? We're gonna go about 30 to 40 minutes. We wanna make sure the egg is cooked all the way through, right? Nice and golden brown, all right? Let's go get it in the oven. I'll see you in a second. There it is, guys, out of the oven. All golden brown and lovely. Got some nice little toasted bits on the top, right? Like we talked about, right? It's nice and custardy on the inside. We have to let this cool down. Otherwise, we're gonna burn our faces off if we try to eat this right now. So let it rest for 10, 15 minutes or so. Okay, team, we've let this cool down a little bit. Could only wait so long. We need to get in there. We need to try a piece. All right, let's kind of get it along the edges, break it off. Whew, still steamy. Gorgeous, look at that piece. Everything's cooked through, nice and custardy in the middle, right? Go ahead and take that off. We're gonna level this up a little bit. We got some hot honey. Perfect for the chicken and waffles going across. Add a little sweet heat. Of course, we got some pure maple syrup. I'm not sure if this is exactly straight from Canada, but close. Poughkeepsie, New York is close. There you go, boys and girls. Let's try this. For the moment I've all been waiting for, time to cut into this bad boy. Got a nice piece of that chicken, that waffle. It's looking too good, baby. Get a little extra of that syrup on there, that hot honey. Mm. All right, It's hot, but baby, you know it's good.